Horses, Equus ferus caballus, are remarkable creatures that have profoundly influenced human civilization. Domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, they have been indispensable for transportation, agriculture, and even warfare throughout history. Known for their muscular build and graceful movements, horses can naturally walk, trot, canter, and gallop, with some breeds capable of additional specialized gaits. As herbivores, they primarily graze on grasses, but their diet often includes hay and grains to meet their nutritional needs. With over 300 breeds worldwide, horses are classified into hot-blooded, cold-blooded, and warm-blooded types, each with unique traits. They are social animals, thriving in herds with clear hierarchies and communicating through body language, vocalizations, and facial expressions. Their wide vision, nearly 360 degrees, makes them highly alert to threats. Today, horses are cherished for sports, therapy, leisure, and companionship. Caring for them involves grooming, veterinary care, hoof maintenance, and plenty of exercise. These majestic animals symbolize strength, beauty, and enduring partnership with humans. The Tyrannosaurus rex, whose name means tyrant lizard king, was one of the largest and most fearsome carnivorous dinosaurs to ever walk the earth. It lived approximately 68 to 66 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period in what is now North America. Measuring up to 40 feet, 12 meters in length, and standing about 12 feet, 3.6 meters tall at the hips, it could weigh between 9 to 14 tons. Its powerful jaws were equipped with around 60 serrated teeth, some reaching up to 12 inches, 30 centimeters in length, capable of delivering an incredible bite force strong enough to crush bones. T-Rex was a carnivore, hunting large herbivores like Triceratops and possibly scavenging when the opportunity arose. Despite its massive size, it could run at speeds of up to 12